Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel At Home with Shell. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to clean your sofa. I'm actually going to clean this sofa here. So this is a fabric sofa. It's a cream fabric sofa, yes cream, that I have in my kitchen with a 1-year-old. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to get your sofa looking like new again, even a cream one. If you're new to my channel, then hi, my name's Michelle and I upload videos every single week on things like cooking, cleaning, hauls, lifestyle. So if that's the kind of thing that you like, then I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. So this is what the sofa currently looks like. Stupidly, I decided to get a cream sofa in my kitchen, and although I absolutely love it, it's not the most practical colour to have in the kitchen. And when you have a 1-year-old running around putting her mucky hands everywhere. So you can see this. I actually only cleaned this probably about a month ago and it's filthy again. So this stain here is actually just a watermark. And then there's a few other stains on here. There's some chocolate here and there's some mud over there. So yeah, in real need of a clean. It's also quite dirty in here. Gathers quite a lot of dust and things, so yeah, I just need to give it a real good clean. And oh yeah, you know what it's like when you've got children. As soon as you pull a cushion out or something, then there's always some toys behind it. So the first thing I'm going to do is basically take all of the cushion covers off and then put them in the wash. So I've taken these cushion covers off, but unfortunately these cushion covers don't actually come off. They've got the button in the middle and the button is annoyingly stuck to the pads inside the cushion, so I won't be able to put these in the washing machine, so I'm just going to wash these in the same way that I clean the sofa. So I'm going to put the cushion covers that I can wash and throw in the washing machine now. I'm just going to wash them on a 30 degrees heat, just with some Persil Non-Bio, some Comfort softener, but you can use whatever you've got lying around. And then I always like to put some Zoflora in there as well, just for some extra freshness and to kill any bacteria that might be on the cushions. What I'm going to do now is just make up a quick solution to actually clean the sofa with. So I've just basically got a bowl here with some warm water in. I'm going to add a little bit of fairy liquid, and then basically what you want to do is just whisk it up. Whisk it up so you've got a nice foam on top. And then what I normally do as well is add in a capful of Zoflora. So just pour that in as well. This will help again keep it really fresh and also acts as a disinfectant. And then I normally pour in about half a cap of softener. You can use whatever softener you've got lying around. So whisk all of that up again, mix it all in. Oh my god, it smells so good. And then this is basically your solution to clean the sofa. I'm just going to use a new Minky. I'm going to use a new one. You can use whatever cloth that you've got. Dependent on the colour of your sofa, I would use a new one because you don't want to risk putting any kind of dirt or anything on the sofa. Just before getting started, if you have got any real tough stains, then I use this. It's Dr. Beckman's carpet stain remover. You can use this on upholstery as well. I would say make sure that you do a patch test somewhere a bit inconspicuous on your sofa if you are planning on using it on your sofa, just so you make sure you don't damage anywhere. I've used this on my sofa loads of times before, so I do know it works. And then what you simply do is you just move the camera so you can see. So any areas that are particularly troublesome, so this area, let me just move the camera. So this area over here is quite bad. So you simply just put this on here and rub it in like so. This is really good just for getting any kind of additional stains off. If you've got any stains that are really rubbed in, then I would definitely recommend using this on it. Same for your cushions as well. If you've got cushions like mine where you can't take it off, then you can use this method on them. I find down here it always gets really grimy where people sit with their like jeans and things. So this bit up here is mainly water stain, so I don't need to use that on here. There's just another stain over here that I will use this on. So what I'm going to do now is just use my solution that I've got here and my Minky and basically just start. If you've got any tough stains, then I would use the rough side of your Minky first and basically just rub on the sofa like so. I've just cleaned all of the sofa, so I've just wiped over all of those cushions with this solution. It still looks a bit dirty now, but it's hard to see until it dries. So what I'm going to do now is take these and leave them outside in the sun for a couple of hours just to dry off whilst I get on and clean the rest of the sofa. There's a few things that have found their way under the sofa, so I'm just going to remove these and then give it a quick vacuum. I've just vacuumed all of the sofa. The cushions are outside drying, so what I'm going to do now, I've just made up a clean lot of the solution, so I'm just going to use this all over the sofa just to make sure that's all had a good clean and smells really nice again too. I've finished doing the whole sofa now, so it's all clean hopefully. So what I need to do now is just wait for it to dry, whilst I'm also waiting for the cushions outside to dry. So it'll probably take a couple of hours, but it's getting quite late now, so I might put the other cushions back on tomorrow, and then I'll show you what the finished result looks like. So here it is, the sofa all nice and clean. So I left it to dry overnight and you can see already just how clean it is. I'm so impressed with how it's come up. Honestly, it looks like new. So if I can get my cream sofa to look like this, you can definitely get your sofa clean as well. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video and you've realised just how easy it is to get your sofa clean and looking like new again.